How you guys doing? I am making a review on the Logitech k400 wireless keyboard. It's got a touchpad here with the 2 buttons on it. See if I can put that into the light so you can see it. Wow. Runs on 2 AA batteries. This comes with the receiver and this range extender. You basically plug this into the back of your PC and then put this in here. And bada bing bada boom, you're good. The keyboard is very small, it's very light, so you can move it around. Very nice, convenient. Also, this is a little neat thing I saw. If you're going to travel, you can take your USB receiver, and it has a little hole for it right here on the cap of the battery. You basically, I'm doing it with one hand, so it's a little difficult. Hold on. Wait for it. Alright, let's try it over here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, bear with me. I'm going to put the camera down for a second. I got to use 2 hands. Because it's snug. Okay. So as you can see, it holds the USB pretty snug, and then you put the battery cap back on and you'll be able to travel wherever you have to travel. When you're ready to use it, you just put it out, slide it out. It's really snug in there. Put the cap back on and plug it into your laptop. So I'm plugging it in. It should say something about a device, something or other. Oh, it's working. So yeah, it's not too bad. It's $36.99 at Walmart. I don't know if you can get it cheaper somewhere else. If you can, congratulations. This button here would be the left click in case you want to use your left hand and do a left click. You can do that there. It's got the zoom and everything that you can do on a touchpad. And it doesn't tell me anywhere on the box if it's a Wi-Fi connection or a Bluetooth connection. My computer was searching the Bluetooth to see if I can pick up the keyboard. It didn't pick it up, so I'm guessing it is an FM. Not bad for $36. I mean, everything else I saw was like about $40, $45, $80, or $100, and it was a wireless keyboard with mouse. You can definitely get your hands on a keyboard and mouse for about $30. That's wireless at Walmart, but this one, being that it was way smaller, it looked like it was more convenient. I want to be able to go get on the bed and watch a movie, so I don't want to have to carry a keyboard and or mouse. This has it all. So 2 thumbs up on the Logitech k400. Plug and play, not too difficult. It's got some shortcut buttons here for media player, home button, you lock the PC, and to shut the PC off. Also has an on and off switch right here. Whoa. It has an on and off switch right here, so you don't kill your batteries. Again, it does come with its first sets of batteries. They're GP Gold batteries or something, some non-name brand. And that's it. Good luck. Enjoy.